Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my Jamaican oxtail and beans without the use of a pressure cooker. Oxtail can be very tough and hard to eat if not cooked properly. Using a pressure cooker can get the oxtail done in just about an hour. Without the use of a pressure cooker, it will take approximately 2.5 to 3 hours, but it's well worth it. Slow cooking your oxtail will definitely give it a deeper flavor. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And for all my returning subscribers, welcome back. To see how I cook my oxtail and beans without the use of a pressure cooker, keep on watching. So here I'm showing you all the seasonings and other ingredients I'm going to be using. Everything here, including the exact amount I'm going to be using, will be listed down below in the description box. So to get started, I'm going to be prepping by chopping and dicing my carrots, onions, scallion, and garlic. Next, I'm going to clean my oxtail, and to do so, I'm going to wash under running water and add a splash of vinegar. After washing my oxtail, I'm going to set that aside and quickly wash and sanitize the sink to avoid any cross-contamination from raw meat. Now it's time to add some seasonings to my oxtail. Here I'm adding some powdered seasoning which I've previously measured out, followed by some Worcestershire sauce which can be substituted with soy sauce. I am also adding some browning. Again, I will leave all the measurements and the ingredients down below in the description box. Use your hand and rub the seasoning in really well, making sure all the pieces are fully coated. Cover and allow to marinate for approximately 30 minutes. I'm going to start by searing the oxtail. In a large skillet, heat your cooking oil on medium heat and add the oxtail and sear for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Once that is done, carefully remove and set aside. Using the same skillet, I'm going to add the onions, scallions and garlic and saute just until the onion starts to become soft. Next, I'm going to be adding the reserved liquid from the marinated oxtail to deglaze the skillet. If you have no leftover liquid, you can use a splash of water. Once that is done, I'm going to be returning the browned oxtail to the skillet, followed by the carrots and 3 to 4 cups of liquid, or just enough liquid to sit on top of the oxtail. I am using beef broth, but water will do just fine. I am also adding a sprig of thyme and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Cover and simmer for 2.5 to 3 hours on medium to low heat. Make sure you check the liquid levels occasionally and add water in small amount at a time if needed. So my oxtail has been simmering for 1 hour and 30 minutes, but it's still not yet cooked. However, the liquid level has reduced, so I'm adding an additional cup of water and continue to cook on low heat. So now I'm up to 2 hours and 45 minutes and my oxtail is now tender. I'm going to go ahead and add my broad beans, which have previously rinsed and drained. Simmer for an additional 2 to 3 minutes just to heat the beans through. My oxtail is now ready to be served with some Jamaican rice and beans and a fresh green salad. Oxtail can be paired with mashed potatoes, fried plantains, some ground provisions, or simply eat on its own. If you did like this video, do let me know by leaving me a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please consider doing so you will be notified whenever I have a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.